One shift in direction, one shift in focus could lead to 56 crores or 80 crores. What do I mean by that? दोस्तों, क्या आपको मिलियनेयर बनना है? Do you want to be a millionaire? If I ask this question, I'm sure every hand in the room will go up. Yes, I want to be a millionaire. But millionaire बनने के लिए millionaire जैसा focus और attitude होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. And that is the first step to becoming a millionaire. I still remember जब मैं जॉब में था, my focus was only on the job and only how can I get 10%, 20%, how can I get a little bit of growth and height. Wherever focus goes, energy flows and result shows. अगर आपका focus सिर्फ little bit money कमाने में है, job promotion में, तो energy वहीं जाएगी और result वही आएगा. And if you can focus on becoming a millionaire, and if you can channelize the direction and focus like a millionaire, guess what? You will become a millionaire. Of course, focus के साथ action भी लेना है, but पहले तो focus से ही शुरू होता है. But आज की तारीख में इतने distractions हैं, इतनी चीज़ें आ जाती हैं, Netflix है, family problems है, health challenges है, बहुत कुछ है. Forget about all that. दिमाग में इतने monkeys बैठे होते हैं, एक monkey इधर jump करता है, एक monkey इधर jump करता है, तो इतने सारे thoughts के बीच में focus कैसे रहें? Distract हो जाते हैं. I learned this process and I'm going to share with you these 5 steps that will help you to become very focused. And because I became focused, I went from being a job to a multi-millionaire in just 3 to 3.5 years because of that focus. So what are these 5 steps? Stay all the way till the end and implement all these steps. Number 1, mindful meditation. ये mindful meditation क्या है? पहली बार जब मैंने मेडिटेशन चीज़ समझी, पहले मुझे बड़ा फैंसी वर्ड लगता था. क्या होता है ऐसे आंख बंद करके बैठे रहो बुद्धुओं की तरह, क्या है ये सब, क्या होता है, टाइम वेस्ट हो रहा है ये सब. बट देन आई रियलाइज दैट बुद्धू तो मैं था जो मेडिटेशन नहीं कर रहा था. इफ़ यू लुक एट ऑल द पीपल हु आर सक्सेसफुल फाइनेंशियली और सोशली स्पिरिचुअली, सारे जो सक्सेसफुल हैं फ्रॉम बुद्धा के टाइम से लेके इलॉन मस्क के टाइम में, सब लोग मेडिटेशन करते हैं, सब लोग. तो मेरा ये मेडिटेशन से पाला कैसे पड़ा? और बहुत सारे तरीके हैं मेडिटेशन करने के, राइट? कोई चैंटिंग करके करता है, कोई म्यूजिक लगा के करता है, कोई जिस आंख बंद करके करता है, कोई ब्रेथ वर्क करता है. देयर आर मल्टीपल वेज ऑफ मेडिटेशन. आई फाउंड द बेस्ट वे ऑफ मेडिटेशन इन वन ऑफ द रूटीन्स दैट आई क्रिएटेड, राइट? एंड दैट रूटीन इज GIV. G stands for gratitude, I stands for imagination, V stands for visualization. मैंने देखा है, जैसे Vishen Lakhiani is teaching about Silva method meditation. Jay Shetty has his own meditation method. Sadhguru has his own meditation method. Then we have Vipassana meditation. I have followed all the people. Tried a little bit here, a little bit there, but I found the best way for me to meditate is start the day by closing your eyes and being grateful for everything that you have. उससे कोई बेस्ट मेडिटेशन नहीं है. लोग बोलते हैं ना, दिमाग को शून्य कर दो, एक भी थॉट नहीं आना चाहिए. इज लाइक सेइंग हार्ट में एक भी बीट नहीं होनी चाहिए. अरे हार्ट इज मेंट टू बीट, माइंड इज मेंट टू थिंक. इंस्टेड ऑफ फाइटिंग द थॉट एंड गेटिंग फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, डू वन थिंग, is you channelize whatever thoughts are coming instead of worry or faltu or stress and distraction in a right direction. And you can do that by gratitude. बहुत simple है, right? Now, if you want to learn more, you can read the book, 80% Mindset, 20% Skills. That's my book. I've shared more about gratitude there. I just wake up with the gratitude, right? And then I do imagination. I imagine how my life could be. Future में बहुत ऐसी चीज़ें imagine करता हूँ which is not imaginable, वो real नहीं है. And whatever you can imagine, you can have it. Whatever you can see it here, you can have it here. ये मैंने समझा है. और हमारे आइंस्टाइन दोस्त बोलते भी हैं कि imagination is the greatest asset of human mankind. It's like a 9th wonder or 8th wonder, whatever wonder. It is wonderful, right? Use imagination, right? And then comes visualization. Visualization is whatever you're imagining, use your senses to make it feel real. This is my way of meditating early in the morning. And when I do this, at the beginning, you'll have monkey mind. It will jump from here, here, here. आपको जहाँ भी घूम गया ना, मन भटक गया, उसको वापस लाइन पे लेके आना है. It's like a small kid, right? वो आपकी बात नहीं सुन रहे हैं. वापस समझाओ, वापस समझाओ, वापस समझाओ, right? धीरे धीरे समझने लगेंगे, बच्चे समझेंगे, उनको समझाना पड़ता है। तो मन बड़ा चंचल है, मन भी ऐसा है, भटक जाता है इधर उधर, तो उसको वापस थॉट्स पे लेके आओ। एंड इफ यू प्रैक्टिस दिस, आई प्रॉमिस यू विल want to sit for 5 minutes and 10 minutes, and when you open your eyes it will be 45 minutes, 1 hour. मेरे साथ ये होता है, and because of this habit my focus has increased probably 10 times or 100 times. जो मुझे करना होता है मैं अपने शांत चित्त से, शांत मन से मैं बहुत कुछ अचीव कर सकता हूँ, right? So your productivity will go 10x if you can just become calmer and peaceful soul, right? Number 2, adopting to unconventional learning and practices. देखिए हम फोकस क्यों नहीं कर पाते? बिकॉज चीज़ें ना बहुत बोरिंग होती हैं। आई एम टेलिंग यू, आई एम रियली लेजी, रीडर. द फॉर्मल एजुकेशन, आई वाज नॉट अ गुड स्टूडेंट. आई यूज्ड टू हेट रीडिंग दीज बुक्स एंड मग अप दीज थिंग्स. क्यों? क्योंकि बहुत बोरिंग था. History was one of the worst subject. Economy was one of the worst subject. I did not understand. Geography, I did not understand. But today, wahi subject, I'm so intrigued. When I travel, physically I go there. I'm still learning. When I go to a temple, I go to a mosque, I go to a palace, उसका history में मज़ा आता है. तो history में मज़ा आता है, geography में मज़ा आता है, culture में मज़ा आता है, अलग अलग खाना खाने में मज़ा आता है. क्यों? क्योंकि वो चीज़ ना, it went from theory, boring thing, to practical, enjoying and experiential thing. तो ऐसे बहुत सारी चीज़ें आप कर सकते हो जो experiential है. How do you start? You just start by watching documentaries. Yes, recently I watched a documentary of WeWork, how it rise and how it fell from zero to multi-billion-dollar business empire to almost going bankrupt. मैंने documentary देखा, बड़ा interesting तरीके से उन्होंने present किया, right? Then if you want to understand human psychology, you can watch the Chimp Empire on Netflix. Chimpanzees and हम बहुत ऐसे ही सोचते हैं, alpha males and domination territory, बहुत ही interesting documentary है. Right? उसके अलावा Inside Bill's Brains, जबरदस्त documentary on how this Bill Gates guy thinks and practices, and he learns in a way that his focus is very high, his energy is very high, because he is converting the learning from boring to good education. I did the same thing, documentary. The Founder is the movie on how the McDonald's was formed, right? Then Spotify story. There are so many documentaries there, very interesting. Just channelize your mind to learn in unconventional way. Number 3, strategic disconnection. क्या होता है disconnection? हम लोग ना बंदरों की तरह भागे जा रहे लाइफ में. हमने कभी ब्रेक नहीं लिया. And ये disconnection जो चीज़ है, आज जो आपकी डिवाइस पॉकेट में ना, is a powerful tool as well as it can be a destructive tool as well. Because I see a lot of people wasting so much of time scrolling through the post brainlessly. आप जो वीडियो देख रहे हैं, you're not scrolling brainlessly. You're consciously learning and consciously improving your focus. But go to LinkedIn or Instagram, they keep scrolling. You need to have a break. Technology detox, digital detox, right? Give a me time to yourself and do that very frequently. Once in a week or once in a month, go one day without a cell phone, without complete, anything that you're doing, just go completely there, right? Do that, right? And what will happen is, imagine आपका घर है, right? घर में चीज़ें आप भरते जा रहे हो. घर नहीं होगा, कबाड़ खाना बन जाएगा. You don't want your house to become like a garbage bin. उसके लिए आपको clean up करना पड़ेगा, right? So meditation is going to help you, right? Learning easy way is going to help you to simplify things. But most importantly, when you take a break, what you're doing is you decluttering your head. Unnecessary headache, unnecessary pressure. It needs to go away, and that's why you need a break. And the best thing you can do is just be with yourself in the nature. I do that very often, and that's why I'm able to be very calm, very quiet, and my focus really increases. The ideas that I get in that duration, because आपने external world shut down कर लिया है, पर internal world तो चल रहा है ना, दिमाग में ideas और thoughts तो आ ही रहे हैं. And because there is no external distraction, your internal thoughts becomes very clear. When your thoughts are clear, your direction is clear, your focus is going to go multiple fold. So do this and it will really help you. Number 4, the power of micro goals. देखो हमारा brains ना, it is very lazy. अगर उसको बहुत बड़ा काम दे दिया ना, तो mind will start becoming lazy and switch off. The way I do it is I break the big things into small tasks and small goals. Like for example, I just focus on what are the top 2 things I should do today. Only top 2 things. And if I'm done with this top 2 task, my day is done. I've seen people having 10 to-do list items. And at the end of the day, they finish 5 and they look at it, oh man, 5 are remaining now. They become really judgmental about themselves. And this is a low vibration, low frequency, low energy. With that, you will have low focus because you'll lead to stress and frustration. But मैं तो load नहीं लेता. I just focus on top 2 tasks of the day because people forget the power of compounding. If you do 2 tasks a day, it's like a 60 tasks in a month. And people who do 5 tasks or 10 tasks a day, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, they will start burning out. They lose focus, they lose energy, lose their patience. In other ways, you will not because you're only doing 2 things. And then if you have more energy, I don't stop at 2 things. When I have more energy, more excitement, I'll do 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Some days I'll do 2, some days I'll do 6, some days I'll do more. But I don't judge myself. I don't pressurize myself that I have to do 10 things or 20 things. That's a stupid way of looking at things. So break it down to micro focus. Number 5, create an innovative mind. Now what do I mean by create an innovative mind? एक चीज है which can help you go to the next level, and that cheese is curiosity. If you become curious on how can I make this better, better, guess what? Your focus is going to improve better. Use the technology, right? Like today we have AI. If you can use AI, your task will reduce to such a drastic time that like, wow, it's so easy and simple. Creating a calendar, creating a schedule, creating your to-do list, creating your marketing plan. Use the technology, be innovative person. So when you do this, your speed of execution is fast. That's why your focus also will be good in this, right? So go ahead and do that. And I'm going to give you a bonus tip now. This is my personal favorite. One thing which has really helped me to focus a lot and be highly productive is spirituality. I really practice spirituality. And if you get a chance to spend a day with me, you'll be shocked and surprised as to how many times in a day I actually say, wow, what a wonderful life. So blessed to live this life. I'm so grateful to this. Like throughout, this is my normal language. But if you see most of the people, they're like, "Arey yaar, kitna kaam hai, kitna mushkil hai, this, that." They're always running and worried. What you need to have high focus is high peace in your life. And that high peace can only happen when you're highly spiritual. So for this, I plant the seeds throughout the day in my life. It's starting from the meditation that I do, the GIV routine. And then I play a lot of spiritual gurus videos, like Guru Goenka Ji's from Vipassana. These days I'm listening to Sister Shivani, BK Shivani, Brahma Kumari Shivani Didi. I love her content. I love it. Like just before shooting this video, I listened to her video for 1 hour. Now, I don't just sit and listen to this and like, no. I'm doing my daily routines, workouts, going in washroom, brushing my teeth. The videos are playing in background. The words are just pouring into my head, and this is helping me instead of focusing on distractions and worry and stress, what is there outside in the world. I'm talking about healing, soul, growth, happiness, joy. And I'm just channelizing my thoughts into right direction. And when you're in the high vibration of these, I call it satsang, Satya ka sang, right? Company of the truth. When you are in that vibration, you naturally become more focused. And we are making this video with absolute focus. My attention is only on you, giving you all that I can to have you the breakthrough and a better focus in life so you can have millionaire focus, right? So I practice this. Now, if you're really serious, we have some videos that we've created for you to spend time in satsang. And we also do live sessions. Go check out the link and join the Passionpreneur Satsang, where hundreds of people are joining and learning spirituality, reminders, practicing. That 1 hour a week can change your life and improve your focus drastically. At the end of the day, wherever your attention goes, your focus goes, energy flows and result shows. Thank you for giving me your focus, and I hope with your focus, I was able to add value to you and increase your focus, and you will eventually become a millionaire. This is Dev Gadhvi. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and let me know which was your best aha moment of this video. And it really inspires me to make more videos like this and give you more love. And share this video with other people if this has been really helpful. This is Dev Gadhvi reminding you, don't be ordinary, be legendary. I'll see you in the next video.